You are in a conversation. Someone asks you a simple question in English. You know the answer. It is right there in your mind. But when it is your turn to speak, you suddenly freeze. Your heart beats faster. Your mind goes blank. And all you can say is nothing or just a few broken words. This is one of the most frustrating feelings. Because deep inside, you know you are not bad at English. You understand everything. But still, you cannot speak when it actually matters. So, what is really going wrong inside your brain at that moment? And more importantly, how do you fix it permanently? In this video, you are going to understand exactly why you freeze while speaking English, even when you know the words clearly. We will break down what is actually happening inside your brain during that moment. And more importantly, you will learn how to fix it step by step in a simple and practical way. By the end of this video, you will feel more in control, more confident, and much faster while speaking English. The real reason you freeze. When you try to speak English, your brain is not handling just one task. It is handling many tasks at the same time. You are thinking of your idea, converting it from your native language, searching for the right words, arranging them into a sentence, checking grammar, and also worrying about how you sound. All of this happens within seconds. This creates a heavy processing load on your brain. And when the load becomes high, your brain slows down. It cannot keep up with the speed required for real conversation. That is when you feel stuck and your mind goes blank. This is very different from how you speak in your native language. There, everything is automatic. You do not translate. You do not think about sentence structure. Your brain has already built strong patterns over time. That is why words come naturally without effort. In English, those automatic patterns are still weak. So, your brain tries to control everything consciously. It is like driving a car while thinking about every single movement. This makes the process slow and stressful. Now add fear to this situation. The fear of making mistakes, the fear of being judged, or the fear of speaking incorrectly. This fear forces your brain to double-check everything before speaking. Instead of helping you, it actually creates more delay. Because of this, even simple sentences feel difficult. You hesitate, you pause, and sometimes you completely stop speaking. This is what we call freezing. It is not because you do not know English. It is because your brain is overloaded and undertrained for real-time speaking. There is also another hidden reason. Most people practice English passively. They read, they listen, they understand. But they rarely practice speaking actively. So, when it is time to speak, the brain is not ready for that pressure. Think of it like this. Understanding is input. Speaking is output. If you only train input, your output will always feel weak. That gap between understanding and speaking is exactly where freezing happens. So, the problem is not your intelligence. It is not your memory. And it is not your capability. The real issue is processing overload, fear, and lack of active speaking practice. Once you understand this clearly, you are already one step closer to fixing it. How to fix freezing while speaking. Simple system. The first step is to stop translating in your mind. When you convert every sentence from your native language into English, your brain slows down. Instead, think in small and simple ideas directly in English. This helps you respond faster. Do not try to make perfect sentences. Focus on clear communication. Break your thoughts into small parts and speak one idea at a time. This reduces pressure and keeps your flow smooth. The second step is active practice. Do not just read or listen. Start speaking daily, even if you are alone. Describe your actions, your surroundings, or your thoughts. This trains your brain for real-time speaking. Use the think and speak method. Pick anything around you and talk about it in English without stopping. Do not worry about mistakes. Your goal is to build flow and confidence. The third step is to remove fear. Mistakes are not the problem. Staying silent is the real problem. Every time you speak, your brain improves. Every time you stay silent, your fear becomes stronger. You can also prepare common situations in advance. Practice simple conversations like introductions or daily interactions. This creates ready patterns in your brain and reduces hesitation. Finally, stay consistent. Practice a little every day. Your brain learns through repetition, and with time, speaking will start to feel natural and effortless. Advanced techniques to handle freezing in real time. Even after practice, there will be moments when you suddenly feel stuck while speaking. In that moment, do not panic. The biggest mistake is trying to force a perfect sentence instantly. Instead, pause for a second, take a small breath, and restart with a simpler sentence. This helps you regain control quickly. You can also use filler phrases to give your brain time. Say simple lines like, "Let me think for a moment," or "I will explain step by step." These phrases may feel small, but they are powerful. They keep the conversation going and reduce pressure on your mind. Another effective technique is using sentence starters. Keep a few ready phrases in your mind such as, "I think," "in my opinion," or "from my experience." These help you begin speaking without overthinking and naturally build your flow. If you feel your sentence is getting complicated, break it. Speak in smaller parts instead of one long sentence. For example, instead of trying to say everything at once, divide your idea into 2 or 3 simple lines. This makes speaking easier and clearer. Also, train yourself to continue even after a mistake. Do not stop or restart completely. Just correct yourself and move forward. This builds confidence and removes the habit of freezing. The main goal here is simple. Keep speaking, even if it is slow or basic. The moment you stop completely, your brain goes blank. But when you keep talking, even in small steps, your brain stays active and responsive. Real-life application plus strong mindset shift. Now let's bring this into real life. Imagine someone asks you, "What did you do today?" Most people freeze because they try to give a perfect answer. Instead, keep it simple and natural. You can say, "Today was quite busy. I worked on a few things. Then I took a break and relaxed." This is not complex, but it is clear and effective. Communication is happening, and that is what matters. Take another example. If someone asks for your opinion, do not overthink. Start with a simple phrase like, "I think it is a good idea," and then add 1 or 2 supporting lines. Step by step, your answer becomes complete without pressure. Now think about everyday situations like ordering something, asking a question, or introducing yourself. These are not difficult conversations, but they feel difficult because of hesitation. If you practice these situations regularly, your brain starts recognizing patterns and responds faster. You can even practice by creating small scenarios in your mind. Ask yourself a question and answer it in English. For example, what are my plans for tomorrow? Then answer in 2 or 3 simple sentences. This builds your speaking habit without any external pressure. Another important habit is to accept pauses. Even fluent speakers pause while speaking. The difference is they stay calm and continue. So, if you pause, do not see it as failure. See it as a natural part of speaking and move forward. This is the mindset shift you need to make. Stop trying to impress people with perfect English. Start focusing on expressing your thoughts clearly. When you shift your focus, your fear reduces automatically. Also understand this clearly. Confidence is not something you wait for. Confidence is something you build through action. Every time you speak, even with mistakes, you become better and faster. There will be small pauses in the beginning, and that is completely normal. Do not judge yourself in those moments. Stay calm, continue speaking, and trust the process. Improvement happens with consistency. So from today, change your approach. Speak daily, keep your sentences simple, and do not stop yourself because of fear. The more you speak, the more natural it becomes. And slowly, that freezing moment will start disappearing. So now you finally understand the truth. You are not freezing because you are bad at English. You are freezing because your brain is overloaded, untrained for real-time speaking, and held back by fear. And the best part is, all of this can be fixed. But here is the important part. Watching this video is not enough. If you want real change, you have to take action. Start speaking today. Keep it simple. Stay consistent. And most importantly, do not be afraid of making mistakes. Remember this one line. The more you speak, the less you freeze. The less you speak, the more you freeze. The choice is completely yours. If this changed the way you see your English, consider hitting subscribe and staying connected for more. If you found this helpful, a like really supports the content and helps it reach more people. You can share this with someone who understands English but still struggles to speak naturally. Try writing one simple sentence in English in the comments, without translating, just your thoughts. If you want to keep improving step by step, turn on the bell icon so you do not miss what comes next. Thank you for watching and putting in the effort to improve.